Hey folks, it's Taras. In today's video, I want to talk about Site Reliability Engineering, or SRE. I've also heard this referred to as System or Service Reliability Engineering, but the idea is still the same. So, Site Reliability Engineering is a set of practices that applies software engineering to IT infrastructure and operations to make a data center that provides a software service more reliable to the users. So this is pretty similar to DevOps, a combination of software development and operations. And the idea of operations can be pretty abstract to people who aren't really in the tech industry, but think of like a system administrator, someone who's overseeing a bunch of computer systems that are out there in production and being used by a business. So anyway, back to SRE and DevOps to some extent. Really, tech companies are hiring for this, and I just want to quick talk about some of the benefits to businesses to having this system reliability engineering practice in their organization. So the first benefit is that it increases the reliability and uptime for the users. So these businesses might be working with some service level objectives and service level agreements where they need to have 99.9% uptime for their service. And so they want to have people on staff working towards that, hopping on calls with customers and finding problems, and then getting in there and developing solutions to make things better long term. The second benefit is faster incident response and resolution times when things inevitably go wrong. So again, you're going to have people on call, on the phone with customers, and then also building software projects that make the data center better. Three is better use of resources and reduction of waste by standardizing processes and procedures. So think of, writing down your documentation. Okay, these are the troubleshooting steps when things go wrong. Let's check into the Mongo database. Let's look at what's going on with the switches in the network, things like that. And so you have a documented set of procedures that you train your staff on how to do when things go wrong. The fourth benefit is increased automation and scalability of IT infrastructure. And the fifth benefit is a better ability for staff to handle and learn from those failures. So let's take a quick look at LinkedIn, and I just quick search for SRE in the Denver metro area. Just because, hey, that's a place where I've got some family and I'd be interested in potentially relocating. If you're looking at a place like Chicago, San Francisco, LA, New York, Bangalore, London, there's a lot of opportunity out there for people to be doing this kind of a role. So yeah, just looking at some of these jobs, some of these salaries, people are making some serious cash doing SRE out there. So that's really cool to see. Well, like I mentioned, this was developed at Google in 2013, and they have some nice books out there that are available for free, and I've been reading through those, trying to get a better understanding of SRE and whether it's something that I am potentially interested in doing. And I also mentioned that this grew out of the DevOps practice, which is still a little bit new to me. It came onto the scene probably around 2006 as I was graduating high school and doing college, but we never really discussed this in my own college years. So this has been completely off of my radar, but a really profitable thing that people are doing out there. So yeah, I've been working through some of these books, and I found a cool coding exercise. This one's by fetch.com related to SRE. So in the next video, I'm going to dive into this coding exercise and what I learned there. Anyway, to wrap up this video, I've worked across software development, especially platform engineering, QA automation, software delivery, and IT audit. And I'd say that my own interest and passion is to design, implement, and document automated processes that create value for people. And so, yeah, I think SRE is definitely a cool way to potentially do that. And I'm always looking to learn more. Well, I hope that you found this video interesting and valuable. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed it. And I'll talk to you later. Peace.